Today we're looking at Dycor Technologies process control monitor product called the SmartVue. When you receive one, this is the box that it comes in. This is what it looks like. Let's just take a look inside. Let's just open it. Put the knife here. Remove the insert and remove the unit. Comes in a clear plastic bag to keep it clean. And there's a desiccant pack inside. I'll just remove that. Also affixed to the unit is a gasket for mounting, and inside the box is a set of mounting screws of various lengths. This product is an industrial control monitor and data acquisition unit, and it comes with a number of I/O points and the power connector, which you can hook up to 10 to 30 volts. And once you do that, it's ready to go.